Vande Mataram. So in this Google Ads course video, today we will discuss about why Google Advertiser verification is important and how you can get it done, and will properly explain and teach you about all this. Look friends, advertiser verification is really very important because in today's time, a lot of businesses run their ads on Google platform. And it has also been noticed that if there's a very famous brand name, some people might then duplicate or copy their products, or without the brand knowing about it. Ads are running using other Google Ads accounts, and this is leading to unfair practices in market. So how does Google Advertiser verification give you a double advantage? First one, if your account's verified and you submitted the necessary documents, then the chance of ads pausing or facing any suspension or other similar kind of issue becomes much lower because you have now become verified member, and your account is then considered as the authentic account. Now after this, the second benefit you will get is that if your brand name and all of your legal details are properly submitted, and if someone else decides that they want to run the ads on Google Ads using your brand name, then in that situation Google can easily identify them and can stop them. Okay, that's why this is important. I'll tell you one more thing. In certain industries you cannot run ads for very long without completing Google Advertiser verification. It might not be as important in some industries, but I would advise you that if it's your business or if it's your client's business, then definitely get account advertiser verification done. It's important. Okay, now look here, I'm in the Google Ads account. Now friends, look, I have opened a specific account here, and in that account we have not done the advertiser verification. Now to do the verification, basically we need to click on billing, and we'll see advertiser verification option there. Click right here and the whole process will then begin. Then click on start task, and it takes about 5 minutes to complete. Now here, as this is Indian account, it's asking for organization registration documents like certification, incorporation, GST, VAT, or whatever documents required. We'll need the documents from these. We've clicked on start verification. After that is done, here we need to upload the document. Is it clear? So we need to upload the document here. Now we will click on upload. For now I'm just uploading dummy document. I'll delete it later. This is just to show you the steps. It will help us move forward in the process. Click on next, and then we'll fill all details like this and submit to move forward. So in this manner I'll just continue filling in the details. After that is done, verification is in progress. Then we'll click on got it. My work is done here. It's under review. Expect around 3 to 5 working days if the documents were right and if the address is correct. Then in a few days advertiser verification will be completed. Simple. Now look, this client account has advertiser verification. It says you have completed all required tasks. Here this account is verified. See, green tick is showing. So in this way, if all details submitted were correct, like GST and then all the legal documents provided, and if my address is correct, then it will automatically get approved. If you still have any issues, you can talk to Google's team. That facility is available. I hope friends you have properly understood that what is Google Advertiser verification all about, and you will be able to do it. Jai Hind.